मनीस जन्माक येता आसतना कांयच घेवन येना, वयता आसतना कांयच घेवन येना. आपलें एकूच घराचें स्वप्न जें पुराय करता तें आपल्या फुडल्या पिळगेक तें घर आपल्या त्याच्या नांवार मागीर जावचें आपल्या उपरांत हें तेजें स्वप्न आसता. आनी हेंच स्वप्न साकार करपाक आमच्या सरकारान म्हजें घर ही योजना हाडल्या.
अन्न वस्त्र आलाशिरो ह्यो मनशाच्यो 3 मूलभूत गरजो. मात हातूंतली सगळ्यांत मुखेल गरज म्हळ्यार आलाशिरो. तातूंतच आपलें हक्काचें घर आसचें, तें मागीर कितलेंय ल्हान आसूं, मात आपलें आसचें हें सगळ्यांचेंच सपन आसता. गोंयांतूय फाटलीं कितलींच वर्सां कितल्याच लोकांची हीच स्वप्नां कांय कायद्यांच्या किचकटीक लागून अशींच अर्धवट उरिल्लीं.
म्हणजे म्हाजें जें घर आसा मुळात तें म्हजें म्हणपाक म्हाजे कडेन कागदां कितें आहा, पंचायतीची आवस्ट्रॅक्ट रिसिप्ट, हेज्या पली कडेन आनी कोणा कडेन कितें आहा. थोड्या जाणांच्या 1/14च्या उताराचेर जाणटेल्याचें नांव आसतलें, आज्याचें बीन कोणाचें तरी. हाज्या पलीकडे डॉक्युमेंट कितें आहा, जेणी घर आत्तां बांदलां आसतलें कदाचित, नवें बांदलां ताजे कडेन आपली ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट, सेल डीड, कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स हें आसूं शकता. पण आमची जेंची गांवांत जुनी घरां आहा त्या लोकां कडेन हाऊस टॅक्स रिसिप्ट जर सोडली आनी लायटीचें बील आनी उदकाचें बील, हेज्या पलीकडे कसलोच डॉक्युमेंट आसचो ना.
मात आयज केंद्रांत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आनी गोंयांत दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत सरकारान सामान्य नागरिकांक लक्षांत घेवन म्हाजें घर ही सर्वसमावेशक भूसुदारणा चालीक लायल्या.
The Maji Ghar Yojana, or the scheme of the government of Goa, has been designed to bring relief, security and dignity to families who for many years, due to socio-economic constraints, have constructed and lived in their homes without proper legal recognition. A house is not merely a physical structure, but it is the foundation of stability and a life of dignity. The government of Goa has undertaken this initiative to regularize long-standing dwelling houses erected on government or comunidad land, as well as on one's own property without due authorization.
Through this scheme, various long-standing issues that were there have been addressed, and the process of getting house and land-related documents have been simplified. One of the first steps that has been done is for those houses which were existing on the survey plan prior to 1972, the need to get a conversion sanad has been done away with.
हितून फर्स्ट म्हणल्यार आतां कोणाचें खूब पयलींच्यान घर आसा, त्या मनशाक जर तेगेले तेच घराचेर तो न्यू घर बांदपाक सोदता जाल्यार ताका खुबशे ऑफिसांनी त्रास पडटाले. जशें ताका कन्वर्शन मागताले, मागीर पंचायती कडेन वयचे पडटाले आनी कितें. सो हो प्रोसेस एक सादो करपाक लागून सरकारान कितें केलां, कोणाचें जर पयलींचें घर आसा आनी तें घर तेगेले प्लॅनार दाखयला, ओरिजिनल जो प्लॅन आसा आमचो 1972 to 74, हे टायमार सर्वे जावन त्या सर्वेक जर तो प्लॅनार तें घर आसा, अशें कोणाचें घर आसत जाल्यार तेणें आनी तेजे कडेन कांयच डॉक्युमेंट ना जाल्यार ते मनशान ते आपले डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आहा तेजे कडेन एप्लिकेशन करून तो एक सर्टिफिकेट घेवपाक शकता आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ताका सर्टिफिकेट दितलो की तेजें घर प्लॅनार आसा आनी ते एरिया ऑलरेडी कन्वर्टेड आहा, सो ताका कसलेच कन्वर्शनाची गरज ना. ही सर्टिफिकेट घेवन तो मुखार मागीर जर तेगे घर म्युन्सिपाल्टीन येता जाल्यार म्युन्सिपाल्टी कडेन वचपाक शकता, जर तेजें घर पंचायतीन येता जाल्यार पंचायती कडेन वचूंक शकता आनी ती पंचायत किंवा ती म्युन्सिपाल्टी विथीन 3 दिसां भितर ताका ते रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन किंवा रिपेर करपाक परमिशन दिता.
Previously also we had a law under the Goa Land Revenue Code wherein there was a provision for people to come and regularize their land. Now with the recent amendment in the year 2025, we have come up with a new amendment and we have introduced section 38A, which allows a person to come and regularize his encroachment on government land. Now what is the difference between the current law and the previous law? The effect of having this provision is previously a person could only regularize his encroachment on the land. With this provision, we are allowing a person to regularize not only his land but also the structure on the land wherein it is located.
गांवांत चड प्रॉब्लम कितें जाता की 114 फॉर्माचेर खुबशे लोकांचीं नांवां आसता आनी अशें कोणें पळय घर बांदलां पळय न्ही ते लोक चडशे करून पार्टिशनाक वचना. सो ताका तेगेलें घर रेगुलरायज करपाक खूब लोकांचे NOC हाडचे पडटा. खुबशे लोक आसतात ते मेल्ले आसतात, तेंगे भुरग्याची कोण आहा भुरगे ते सोदचे पडटा आनी तेंचे सगळ्यांचे NOC नासले कारणान डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तेंचे रिजेक्ट मारता. सो हे हितून आमी आतां बदल करून हाडला की आतां हितून कोणाचे NOC नाका. तशेंच 2 भाव किंवा भावां भितर हें आसा NOC ना आनी कितें ना असल्या लोकांची सुद्दां आमी रेगुलरायज करपाची प्रोविजन केला. आनी जर हेतून फक्त ती ऑर्डर जी पास करतलो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर, ती ऑर्डर सब्जेक्ट टू तेजी कितें तरी सिवील कोर्टान केस आहा आनी सिवील कोर्टाची कितें ऑर्डर जातली तेजेर सब्जेक्ट केला, पूण डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आमची हेजे खातीर ती रेगुलरायज करतलो.
Any person who is a lender's person in the state of Goa who has resided in Goa for at least 15 years prior to 28th of February 2014 and who has constructed a dwelling house on such a government land prior to 28th February 2014 can come and apply for the regularization of encroachment. Now such person has to make in an application to the deputy collector so that his application is processed. Now this forms, whatever form he has to make before the deputy collector, has been notified by the government and is easily available on the official gazette. Now when he is making in an application before the deputy collector, he has to attach certain documents. One main document is regarding his residence certificate to show that the person was staying in Goa for at least 15 years prior to 20th February 2014.
So for the successful implementation of this scheme, all the staffs and officers of the Collector North, including the deputy collectors, mamladars, AKs, talatis, and all the clerical staff have been trained and briefed regarding all the acts, rules, and circulars that have been issued regarding the Majegar scheme, so that the intent of the government behind bringing out this scheme can be passed on to all the people and all the residents and all the beneficiaries of the state. Under the Majegar scheme, citizens can approach the relevant officers who are for the 20-point program. They can come to the collector and submit the application. For the Comunidad encroachment on Comunidad land, they can go before the additional collectors. Additional collector 1, 2, 3 have been notified for the Comunidad land specific to their jurisdictions. And for the RUCA and government land regularization, they can approach the office of the deputy collector. Instructions have been given to all of them to process the application within the time frame.
Also, we have amended the Goa RUCA Act of 2016. So people who have properties in private land and who have not taken proper prior permissions, they can make application under RUCA, and that is also getting processed.
Now once the deputy collector gets both these documents and if there is a house number that has been allotted to this person, all these 3 documents are received by the deputy collector. The deputy collector has to process this application within a period of 6 months. So we have 2 time frames over here. One is the applicant gets 6 months from 4th of October 2025 to apply before the deputy collector, and once the application is received by the deputy collector in turn again gets 6 months to dispose of this application.
सो भितर आतां एक नवो सर्क्युलर काडला जे 20-पॉयंट प्रोग्राम. 20-पॉयंट प्रोग्रामांत लोकांनी घरां बांदल्यांत किंवा ते रिपेर करतात, ते लोकांच्या नांवार ती जावनाशिल्ली. हे पॉलिसी अंडर आतां तांकां फूल ओनरशीप दिल्या. अशेंय आशिल्लें की थोडे लोकांनी दुसऱ्याक ट्रान्सफर केल्या गोवोरमेंटाची परमिशन घेनासतना. आतां जर अशे प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंट दाखयले आनी दुसरो मनीस जेणें लिगली ते घेवना असलो मनीस सुद्दां येता, दाखयता आपण ते कोणा कडल्यान ट्रान्सफर केल्या, जाल्यार तेज्या नांवार सुद्दां रेगुलरायज करपाचें प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा आनी तेणें बीन अप्लाय करून हें घेवपाक जाता. तिसरी गजाल म्हणल्यार हे लोकांक फक्त 5% ऑफ द लँड रेट्स फारीक करून तांकां डायरेक्ट क्लास 1 ऑक्युपन्सी दितात. पयलीं तांकां दिल्ली आशिल्ली क्लास 2. सो आतां तेंची फूल ओनरशीप तांकां 20-पॉयंट प्रोग्राम अंडर ही दिल्या.
The law says that a person is eligible for only the plinth area of his house and 2 meters surrounding it. In any case, this total area will not exceed 400 square meters. So the maximum area that a person can get under section 38A of Goa Land Revenue Code is 400 square meters. If he has encroached any more area, more than 400 square meters, or say suppose the plinth area of his house is 150 and the surrounding area 2 meters, considering say suppose it's maximum 200, then he will be able to regularize only 200 square meters of the area, and the remaining area has to be surrendered back to the government. Now, unless this area is taken back by the government, his application for regularization will not conclude. That is, the deputy collector will not pass an order confirming his regularization till such an affidavit is made and till such area is surrendered and taken over by the deputy collector.
Now, since the launch of Majigar Yojana, already 11,000 application forms have been distributed in various talukas in South Goa district. So I request all the people to come forward who are the beneficiaries of the Majigar Yojana. Come make application. Our officers are ready to help you out. There are separate help desk in all the offices. We have notified nodal officers in each taluka who will coordinate, who will help the people in filling the application form.
Honorable CM sir has personally taken this initiative, and he is going to all the areas and all the villages for the purpose of distribution of forms. The office of the collector, along with the deputy collectors and mamladars, we have been conducting outreach programs in all the areas, even going to the remote areas to ensure that the forms are made accessible to all the people and they are aware about the intent of this beneficial scheme. Apart from that, to make the scheme successful, office of the collector will conduct different camps also in different locations, so that people need not come even to the offices. They can be given the benefit at their doorstep only.
सगळ्या दृश्टीन बारीक मनशाक, मागीर तो हिंदू आसूनी, मुस्लीम आसूनी, कॅथलीक आसूनी, ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक मदत करपा खातीर म्हज्या सरकारात म्हजें घर ही स्कीम हाडल्या आनी म्हजें घर ही स्कीम हाडटा आसतना आमी ताका निव्वळ कायदे केल्या.
देशाक फुडें व्हरप म्हळ्यार एकान एका नागरिकाक पुरायपणान फुडें व्हरप हो मंत्र जाणपी केंद्रांत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जाल्यार गोंयांत दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत सरकार आयज पुराय धिटायेन फुडें सरता.